Now we start exercise 5.3, main question number 3, sub question number 8. It is given that an equal to 4, common difference d equal to 2, sum of n Sn equal to minus 14. Find the value of n and a. But the first term. Now we start the solution. It is given an equal to 4, d equal to 2, Sn equal to minus 14. We know the two formula. Formula of the n term an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and sum of n term equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We know their two formula. Now a plus n minus 1 into d equal to an, a plus n minus 1, but value of d equal to 2 given, 2 equal to an equal to 4. Therefore a plus 2 into n 2n minus 2 equal to 4. Therefore a plus 2n equal to 4 plus a minus at left hand side, it change into right hand side, sign will be changed positive. 4 plus 2 6. Therefore a plus 2n equal to 6. We find the value of a equal to 6 minus 2n. Name the equation number 1. Now input in value second formula. Which is the formula? Sn equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to Sn. N upon 2 2 into value of a. What is the value of a? From 1 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1. Value of d equal to 2 is given, equal to minus 14. We can write from 1 n upon 2 2 into 6 12 minus 2 to ja 4n 2 into n 2n minus 2 into 1 2 bracket complete equal to minus 14. Therefore n upon 2 12 minus 2 10 minus 4n plus 2n minus 2n equal to minus 14. Now we can open the bracket. N upon 2 into 10 minus n upon 2 into 2n equal to minus 14. 2 1 ja 2 5 ja 2 to cancel. 5 into n 5n minus n multiply n square equal to minus 14. We can arrange in power form n square minus 5n minus 14. This is the standard form, power form in arranging order. 2 power 1 power constant term. Now we factorize this. N square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14. We split the minus 5n in two parts. Minus 7n plus 2n equal to minus 14. N is common. N minus 7 plus 2 in bracket. N minus 7 equal to 0. N minus 7 n plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore we get n minus 7 equal to 0 or n plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore n equal to 7 or n equal to minus 2. But minus 2 not is a natural number, therefore not belongs to n. It is not possible. What is the reason? Minus 2 is not a natural number. Put the value of n equal to 7 in equation number 1. A equal to 6 minus 2n. A equal to 6 minus 2 into value of n is 7. A equal to 6 minus 7 into 2 14. 6 minus 14 minus 8. We find the value of a equal to minus 8. Therefore we have to find a equal to minus 8 and n equal to 7, which we can require the answer. Now we start question number 3, sub question number 9. Given that a equal to 3, n equal to 8, sum of n term Sn equal to 192. In book S equal to 192, we write Sn equal to 192. S means sum, the sum of n term equal to 192. We have to find a. मैंने x ऐड कर दिया है d and a. Now we start the solution. Given that a equal to 3, n equal to 8 and Sn equal to 192. Therefore S8 equal to 192 because n equal to 8. We know the formula of Sn. Sn equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d, n upon 2 in curly bracket 2a plus in bracket n minus 1 bracket complete into d curly bracket complete equal to Sn. A value of putting the value n equal to 8, 8 upon 2, 2 into value of a 3, 8 minus 1 7 into d equal to 192. 8 upon 2, 2 4 ja, 4 in bracket, 2 into 3 6 plus 7d equal to 192. 6 4 ja 24 plus 4 into 7 28d equal to 192. 28d equal to 192 minus 24. 28d equal to 192 minus 24. 12 minus 4 so 8. 8 minus 2 6 168. Therefore d equal to 168 upon 28. 28 6 ja. Therefore d equal to 6, which is the answer of question number 9. Now we start the question number 3. Sub question number 10. Given that L matter last term, what is the last term? An equal to 28. S matlab sum of n term 144, that is Sn equal to 144, and there is a total term n equal to 9 is given. We have to find the value of a. We start the solution. Given L equal to last term equal to nth term equal to an equal to 28, s equal to sum of n term equal to 144, but n equal to 9 because total term equal to 9. Therefore a 9 equal to 28 and s9 equal to 144. Now we know the n equal to 9, a 9 equal to 28, s9 equal to 144. We know the formula Sn equal to n upon 2, a plus last term an, s9 equal to 9 upon 2, a plus 28. We know the s9 equal to 144 into cross multiplication 2 upon 9 equal to a plus 28. 16 9 ja 144. 16 into 2 32 equal to a plus 28. Therefore a equal to 32 minus 28, a equal to 4. This is the required answer. पर मैंने थोड़ा ऐड किया हुआ है. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ डी. a 9 equal to 28, a plus 8d equal to 28, value of a equal to 4, 8d equal to 28, 8d equal to 28 minus 4, therefore 8d equal to 24, d equal to 24 upon 8, 8 3 ja, therefore d equal to 3, therefore a equal to 4 and d equal to 3. This is the required answer. We have to find here only a, but मैंने थोड़ा ऐड कर दिया है. What is the value of d? So we find the value of a equal to 4 and d equal to 3. Thank you.